Hey guys, nandito kami sa bilihan ng mga birds. Steven wants a bird. So we buy. This is for the one that we. There's a lot of birds. This is where we buy. There are more birds. Birds. Welcome back to our channel guys. Watch Rain and Steven. Gumawa si Steven ng bird cage. And then now we bought the birds. I will show you guys the bird cage. That's the bird cage that Steven done. And then we bought the birds. What's this, baby?
Don't spin that. We got two bullfinches, two normal yellow canaries, and 4 budgies, but different breed of budgies.
Oh, now show that.
Hold on, I've got the food. Where's the food?
Namin lagay yung kanilang mga food. Here's their food. At how is amazed. Look. Look.
They're relaxing to watch.
Huh?
They're relaxing to watch. But the one who's not who's the least scared is that green and yellow one up there, the budgie. Look, he's right at the top looking down.
I'm afraid of the door.
Oh,
Later when they flew on it.
If anything, I put a couple of screws. One at the top, one at the bottom. So when I go to do it, I'll just pull
Because we will find it hard to catch all of them, huh?
They go back in by themselves. Once they learn, you take it off, they fly out, but when they're bored, they go back in. My budgie's done it before. You could leave. I left the cage door open.
But you need to teach them that they need to kaka only there on that cage, not everywhere.
The birds are smart. Look, he's on a swing. He's on a swing.
Wait. Oh, someone's swinging. Someone is playing. I think this one, no? This one is the one who's afraid, eh?
Yeah, so just keep back.
Purple. They don't know how to fly.
He's probably never flown. He's been in that little thing, that's tiny, that little cage. With how many was it?
They have their water here. And then they have their food on both sides.
Like my little inventions get the birds in, but they can't get out.
Are you sure it can get out? Birds, they were still alive there, baby.
Yeah.
The birds. Are you sure it's safe?
Yeah.
Later, the birds will knock it down.
What birds have we got here first?
What bird is that?
The finches, bullfinches.
What color is it? Now they will go to their cage. Yay! Look. Look. Oh, they're flying, they're flying.
How happy they are to be out there.
Yeah. Hello, hello, hello. Duck, duck, wait, talk, talk.
I love their sound. The bullfinch has got such a good sound.
Duck, duck. And
Next.
then next one. Who's the next? Who's the next on the
It feels
row?
heavy. I think it's a budgie.
Sa Budgie?
I think so. It feels heavy. Yes, it's the ones that were in a bag.
They were happy, oh. This is why. Oh, they're flying. The one, that's the last that we bought.
This is
the
the one
yellow
that-
one.
Yeah, this is the one that gives up a fight, he won't come out.
This is one, no? I think this is Summer.
I'll let that one walk out of the box. He puts up a fight, he doesn't want to come out.
You don't want to come out? The one who bites you?
No, that's the one who bit me.
Wow. Which one
They're
is next?
scared that Budgie, there he is.
He's out now, baby. He's
Yeah.
out. My God.
Now we've got the two violet Budgies.
Are you sure that the roof is
It's on secure, it's screwed on.
How about that one? Because we buy 8 pairs.
Crap, the door's coming out. Take that a bit first.
Wow! Wow! They're flying, baby. But I think that one is too big, eh?
What
The
one?
green one. This one, no? This one, the green one.
No, he's a baby. They're all small. Look that size.
I think that is lime, eh? Lime.
Yeah.
Green one.
They're
This
like
is
the
sky.
same
Because
colour.
it's blue or purple. My God, they were...
They're purple.
Look at the paper, baby.
They blow it away, but don't worry. He's tired. He's not used to flying. They've got to settle in. And these are the two canaries.
Careful. Later they will go out. We will find it hard to catch them.
Why is it these birds want to fight?
They were all there. They were 8 pieces of birds.
That's it.
Are you sure it's secure the door?
Yeah, it is.
Later when they...
Oh, good. It's fine.
Hello, hello, hello. That's why you use like this.
Yeah, so they can hang on.
They can hang
They need
on.
to be able to grip. And these ones, I only use these small
Look
ones.
at them,
'cause
look
they're-
at them, the 4 of them. Look at the 4 of them.
That one down there don't know how to fly.
Who?
Him.
This
He
one?
He
This
doesn't
one?
know how
Oh,
to fly.
poor little thing. Why you don't want to fly?
No, he doesn't know how to. Then he's going to climb. He's cliffhanger.
Huh?
He's a cliffhanger.
That's Ube. That's Ube. 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 I think he's afraid eh.
He is afraid. So
Is this the female?
Huh?
Is this the female?
No, that's the male.
I call
yes,
him
the male.
Ube.
It's blue.
I call him Ube.
Just let him calm down. Because those two budgies are scared.
Which one? The blue one, no?
Yeah.
This is purple.
That's
Purple. Purple.
He's the one that looks the most confident. It's this green budgie.
Baby, that's Ube. How can I know which one is
He
which?
flies. He just flew up there. he's nervous.
Ah.
They're not used to flying, baby.